Hi, if you landed on this video, you're probably interested what is email automation and how to create one. So if you're interested in this type of content, I create videos about online marketing and business. So hit that subscribe button and be notified every time I publish new video. So what is email automation? Simply the ability to send time or action triggered emails to subscribers with relevant information. This is very useful for marketing purposes because it brings the people back over and over again. Before you start creating email automation, you have to have a goal in mind. So the goal might be to pre-qualify your subscriber, to get a feedback about product or service, maybe survey your audience. It may even be used to deliver your course, let's say, or upsell more products. In my humble opinion, email list is the most valuable asset business can have. Comparing, let's say, to social media, Facebook can decide one day they don't like your content and they may block your account. They may block your page or advertising account. Comparing to SEO, Google may decide they don't like your website and ain't gonna rank your website high for additional, for like keywords, money keywords, the people coming from. And email list is just a like stable asset where you can save that contact list on your computer. You may save that contact list, let's say, in the cloud somewhere or on your email service provider. And every time you have a traffic on your fingerprints, you have to just write a message and hit that send button. So how to set up your first email marketing automation campaign? Simply, you have to sign up with your email service provider, which will automatically send these emails. In my case, it's GetResponse, and I'm on my dashboard. I have logged in just now. So I can click on the menu, and I have several options here. I can create like autoresponder, which is time-based, and it's named autoresponder. And as you can see, this is empty here for this list, and I can click and create that autoresponder, or I can click on this small icon and see more visual scheme of like it's kind of calendar. So as you can see, on a day 0, it's gonna be day 1 actually. We're gonna send one message. We can make a gap of couple days and send another message, or we can send couple messages in a day. So simply you should click on that plus sign and you can create an emails which will be automatically sent. Or there is another way which now GetResponse calls workflows. So it's like automation workflows. And this is kind of smart feature of GetResponse. That's why I like it. You can create a workflow, and this is gonna be based on that subscriber behavior. And there are loads of pre-built automations here, like let's say customer retargeting, course promotion, and you can just jump on one of these and straight away start just modifying them. You can even preview what's gonna be here. Let's say when the tag selected, you're gonna select message to send, and when any newsletter link is clicked, then if positive, you're gonna select another message to send and assign a tag. If no, you're gonna send another message, and when any newsletter link is clicked, you're gonna assign or remove a tag. And if you can't find what you need, you can create one or couple automations yourself. You can build them from scratch right here. So that's what we're gonna do now. This is like a quick guide, and we have to give that automation a name. Let's say I'm gonna give it a name, and this is gonna be like for testing. It's gonna be just to qualify subscriber if he opens email, and you know, to separate them in different buckets. This is especially good if you're using single opt-in, because basically whoever and I highly suggest you to use double opt-in always, but if you're gonna use single, this is gonna qualify your subscriber is if he or she is active or not. The scheme could look like this. Subscribe to any list via any method. Now we can add another element. What's gonna be next? So obviously wanna send a message now straight away, and I wanna just welcome my subscriber, introduce myself, and deliver what was promised why subscriber landed on my email list. So this is the best time to do that. You can select a message to send and add another element. Have to wait for some time because I don't want to send email after email after email. So I have to wait, let's say, for 1 day, and I'm connecting all of these dots in order to work. And you can quickly customize the message you want to send, and you can wait 2 days if you want. And we can add another element now. Let's say our subscriber had to download our ebook. When any newsletter link is clicked, and we are like qualifying if that subscriber has downloaded our lead magnet. Let's say it was ebook. When any newsletter link is clicked, you can now assign a tag. So subscriber is active, let's say. I can assign a tag, subscriber, let's say, is active. If no, then I have to send another message. I'm sending another message, right, like that. Again, I have to wait for 1 more day, let's say. And now I have to check if the link is clicked again. And when the link is clicked, I am moving them again to the tag active, And if not, if the subscriber didn't open any of your first 2 emails, my guess is the email is wrong, or there is something wrong with your email deliverability, and I don't suggest you to send any more emails to that address, because it's gonna destroy your email deliverability because you're sending to the wrong address and email is bouncing all the time. In this case, I would either move that subscriber to another list, which is like, I don't know, inactive users, or remove that contact at all. So let's say I could assign like action here, which is removing that contact at all from list. This is how your simple automation workflow looks like. So I hope you guys like this video. You have better idea what is email automation and how to create one. If you need more sources, you want to learn more, check my video description. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.